Here is my brand new Smittybilt replacement soft top for my 2001 Jeep Wrangler. This is my adventure mobile. It's what I use when I go camping and all that good stuff that I like to do. This is my third top on this Jeep. My last top that I had before this, I think, was a Quadratec brand. It lasted for about 8 years, and the zipper on the back window went out, stopped working, couldn't get the back window back on. So we'll see how long this one lasts. Fits really good. Zippers are cool. Everything's amazing. I really dig it. My last two tops before this were tan, so I wasn't sure how the black was gonna look on the black Jeep, and I really like this color a lot. I think it's called Black Diamond. So it looks really cool. The other day I drove from LA to San Diego, and there was just a full-on downpour. I mean, it was raining hard. The wind was blowing and there was no leaks. So yeah, it held up really well. It wasn't noisy. So I really dig this top, and I definitely recommend it, especially for the price. It was only $200 on the Quadratec website. So definitely an excellent top for the money.